The cap gasket forms a seal between the fuel cap and the fuel tank. The rubber gasket fits inside the fuel tank cap. Over time, the gasket will break down and crack or tear. This can allow fuel to leak from the cap. A faulty cap gasket should be immediately replaced to prevent a dangerous fuel fire. Replacing the cap gasket is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the fuel cap from the fuel tank. I'll use a pick to remove the old gasket from the cap. And now I can install the new gasket. And now I can reinstall the fuel cap. And that's how simple it is to replace the fuel cap gasket on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.